Kerassentials is a new product that helps get rid of toenail fungus. In this video, we will break down this product so you don't waste your time and money. You might be wondering a few things about Kerassentials like what's inside, where to buy it, and if it will help you. Don't worry, we will cover all of this, and at the end of the video, I will help guide you in figuring out if the product is right for you. So without any further ado, let's examine this product. Kerassentials addresses toenail fungus, which affects 1 in 10 people around the world. It's an all-natural product that was created by Dr. Kimberly Langdon. She did her studies at Ohio State University and specializes in formulating products that addresses common skin conditions such as toenail fungus. Kerassentials harnesses the power of nature. As aforementioned, this is a natural product which I personally use. I have the product here and these are the ingredients. Now I won't be going over every ingredient, but I will highlight a few that have had positive effects on fungus. Some of the ingredients of Kerassentials are tea tree oil, lemongrass oil, menthol, camphor, and undecylenic acid. If you ever heard of using Vicks Vapor Rub for toenail fungus, that is because it has the ingredients of menthol and camphor which show great results for getting rid of nail fungus. Another natural ingredient that has been studied is tea tree oil. In one study, it showed a 70% success rate in treating toenail fungus infections. The beauty of this product is it combines all of the great ingredients into one bottle. Natural products are a great alternative to not taking prescription medications which can have negative effects on the body and require blood tests. Now let's talk about how to use it. Kerassentials uses one of my favorite types of applicators. It is a brush applicator which is great for getting under and around the nail. If you struggled with toenail fungus like myself, then you might have already used a similar brush applicator with other products. Each bottle has its own brush and it takes only 30 seconds to apply. This is great if you don't have a lot of time to do foot soaks or have a busy schedule. The bottle says to apply it 3 times a day to see optimal results. I'll be honest, sometimes I am lazy and only do it twice, but really strive to do it 3 times like the bottle says to get the best outcome. Now lastly, who is this product for? Let's start with who it is not for. I would say this is not for people with extremely severe toenail fungus. I would consult with a doctor if you're in that situation. However, if you have a mild to bad toenail fungus on a few toenails, then I would consider giving this product a try. You will most likely have great results with it. Now, how many bottles should you get? Well, 1 bottle will last about a month depending on how many toenails you're applying it to. If you have a bad case of toenail fungus, I would recommend getting more bottles because it may take longer for the new toenails to grow back in. And one of the worst situations is when you start a treatment and run out of the product, so be sure to get enough for your own situation. Starting the treatment and not completing it could result in the fungus becoming resistant to the treatment. Now, the only place to buy Kerassentials is from their official website. Don't get scammed by third-party sellers selling on Amazon and other unofficial sites. I made a whole in-depth video about the scams people are trying to commit concerning this product already. Those products are on Amazon and they're not the same from the official website. To make sure you get the correct product, I will place a link in the description of this video and in the comments to the official website. Luckily, Kerassentials is giving a special discount to my viewers on this product. When you purchase 3 bottles or more, you will receive a significant discount. To get the discount, click the link in the description and secure your nail fungus treatment today. That will conclude the review of Kerassentials. If you want more tips or information on how to effectively cure toenail fungus, then click subscribe.